any background noise you can hear in the video is this. It's my little Vango diesel heater, which is keeping this workshop nice and toasty and warm because it really is cold in here. So you see that noisy video, another video. I'm going to carry on and try and get the oil system finished on this little gas turbine engine. I've put a base into this stand and I've got the oil pump mounted. It's a 12 volt gear pump, a real good quality pump, which will supply more than enough oil flow and oil pressure for the job. The fact that it supplies too much oil is why we made a little pressure relief valve. So we need to go from the pump outlet, we need a filter in there, oil filter. So go from the oil filter to the pressure relief valve, that goes back to the tank, and then the pipe comes off here, and that's what feeds the turbocharger. So I need a filter head making for that, and I've got a piece of aluminium. I'm sure I'll be able to find the one inside of there. The thread on this filter is standard automotive metric 20 by 1.5. I've got to tap that size so I can put the threads in there, and I'll screw cut a short piece of bar to screw into there for the filter to screw on. This is the inside of the oil filter. The holes there, behind them, there's a black rubber diaphragm. That's an anti-drain valve. So if the filter is mounted that way up, it stops the oil draining away. So the oil goes in through those holes, the ring round there goes in through the holes, and the filtered oil comes out of the centre after it's been through the filter membrane. Simple as that. So inlet there, outlet there. I've put the outside jaws on my 3-jaw chuck because it's just too big to go on the standard jaws. It's a bit of nice quality aluminium. It's also a brand new tool tip that's in there. Right, the first thing to do, I'm going to put the 20mm threaded hole in, so we need to drill a hole in there. But it wants to be a blind hole, it hasn't got to go all the way out. So we'll drill and bore probably the top and drill side. I'm not quite sure how they're going to be chart. It's M20 by 1.5 is 18.5. Start off as normal with a centre drill. Keep checking for clearance when you've got the jaws sticking out like that. It only takes seconds to check, and it's so easy to spoil your day. If I go down to 32mm, that gives us plenty. Safe at 32mm. That's a nice drill, you can see this. Cut nice and even. Obviously wasn't sharpened by me, was it? I can use this boring tool to accurately measure the depth of the hole by simply zeroing my DRO and going in for the 32mm. I don't want to put threads full depth because I want a shoulder for the insert to screw into. Just about on size there. 80.5 is the size we need. going to go down to 15. Nice sharp thread, just what we need. I'm just going to take a light skim off this outer face. Once again, you've got to be careful, you've got clearance, which we have. Go right away until we're just about touching those jaws. Just a light cut, just to clean it up. I could make it smaller diameter if I wanted to, but it's pointless. I might as well just use the size it is. Because I've got a machine flaps on this outside face to put oil ports in. Right, turn it round now, finish this end off. Not bad. As the drilling goes in the end of there, it'll be 8th BSP, that's for a pressure gauge. Quite pretty. Once again, checking for clearance. Takes seconds. Can save a fortune. .5 is a tap and drill for 8 BSP. Just 8 BSP parallel, not a taper thread. Right, that's the lathe work done on this now. I found a suitable bit of mild steel bar just to make the threaded bar out now with a threaded tube, which is going to be 20 by 1.5. I need 32mm of it. I'm going to turn this down to 20mm and drill it and put some threads on it. Random bar, found in my scrap box, nothing to get excited about. Machines like mild steel and soft. Plenty. Right, so if I zero this caliper at 20mm, and if I measure that bar with it, that'll tell me exactly how much I need to take off there, which is 2.7mm. So we'll take a 1mm cut and then play with a 0.7, because down in 1mm we'll take 2 off. Definitely machining like mild steel, it's hard to get a finish on it. You've really got to push it fast to make it decent finish. But for this application it doesn't really matter. And so now we're down to 0.29. So we need to take 0.15 off and that'll bring us dead on size. Right, that should bring us dead on size. I want to speed things up a little bit. Still not putting much of a finish on. Right, and that's actually dead on size. It's 0.02, which is even less than a fanny's hair. Right, so we need to put some threads on there. I'm going to put a little chamfer on one end, and I'm going to put a groove for the screw cutting tool to run into, because it hasn't got a shoulder on it. Little chamfer on there. And we want 32mm on the end of there. So there. Right, that's the 1.5 little thread cutting insert. Make sure it's square to the jaw by legging it up on the square to the jaw, just like that. I know it's on centimetres, but I use it all the time. I've got the layer set up to cut this way. That's the wrong tip, that's a 3 mil tip, I've chose that tip for the 1.5. We'll touch this off. We add a little trail foot, this is your swelling for the foot. 1.5 pitch. Perfect. Also check it against the top. Splendid. Good, that's all I want. This will be probably a tighter thread on here. Unfilter threads are slack, that's not too bad. Right, pretty happy with that. Yeah. Make the hole as big as possible so it will flow as much oil as we possibly can through it. A little bit slower. Bastard. Right, I'll seal that into there. And the oil filter screws onto there. Some ports putting in now, but it's looking a little bit more like an oil filter housing, I suppose. You can buy these, but I was going to machine a recess in there. I don't need to because there's a big recess in there. So that's oil out through that one, and oil goes in through those holes there. So I'll mill a slot in there and put a corresponding port in there for the oil inlet. Then up here we'll have an outlet to a pressure relief valve and an outlet that goes straight to the turbocharger, and pressure gauge goes on top of there.